One last package before I leave for another trip, this time to Germany. Let's see what we got here. This is the Mech Wallet. Wow, look at this. Okay, so I'm gonna try this on this trip that I'm leaving on later today. We'll play with it over there, and maybe I'll replace the wallet I have now, which is much smaller than this. So let's go, Mech Wallet. So here I am at the Munich airport, and I'm gonna take advantage of the time before I take my flight to check this Mech Wallet model 8807. Box is really cool, as you already saw it, and it has this clip that goes here in the back. I'm gonna attach it later, but for now let's see how the capacity is compared to this other one that I have. See, that's 3, so that's 5 credit cards plus my driver's license, and I like the way it comes out. It pushes everything up. It's pretty cool. Let's see if I can get some money in here too. Not a lot, but a little tight with the cash, but 5 credit cards or 4 credit cards plus my driver's license fit really well. So I like the design. It's the PUMCube model. I'm not sure if I will wear this out, but this is maybe for the money. Yeah, that should be it. There you go. I think I'm gonna throw this away and use this one for now on. Thumbs up.